First, let's review the contents of the box. Here on the left side are an AC wall charger and a USB charging cable, those plug together for charging. At the top of the box are the 5 empty cartridges. Here are 2 eGOo batteries and 2 atomizers and 1 eGOo cone, which makes the battery smooth transition to the cartridge. Let's take a look at getting vaping as fast as possible. The first thing I'm going to do is unscrew an atomizer from a battery, set the battery aside, and open up the atomizer and the cartridge. You'll see that as shipped, the first cartridge is empty. That can be filled with polyester if you want to use it, but we're going to open up one of these 5 that came with the kit. I always find them kind of hard to open, so a scissors speeds that process along. And then we'll remove the rubber cap that the cartridge has on the end, and you can see this one has filler material in it, but they do ship empty. So we'll grab our favorite flavor of AmericanEliquidStore.com liquid. Each cartridge holds about 10 drops. This step does take a little patience. First, I'm going to put just 3 drops on there so that you can see it takes a little while to soak in. As a cartridge filling tip, if you're not patient enough to wait for that to soak in, this time I'm going to put 4 drops on top. You can use a toothpick or a paper clip to move the filler material to the side a little bit, let some air get in there, or even stir it around. And as you can see here, it's soaked in much faster. This has 7 drops in it right now. Each cartridge holds 10. So I'll pop 3 more on the top and give it a little stir. You want the cartridge to look wet. Some people say it should look a little bit like a slushy. Once that's done, it's not a bad idea to put a couple of more drops in the atomizer if it's a brand new atomizer right out of the kit. Not necessary if you're refilling. And then simply push the 2 together. Put the battery back on. And if you want to, make it look a little better, put the eGOo cone cover back on, and you're ready to vape. And here's how it works. Just push the button, bring the eGOo up to your lips, and inhale like a regular cigarette. Happy vaping!